Hey everyone. So, wood is awesome for making things at home, right? Whether it's indoor furniture or stuff outside, wood is a classic choice. But here's the deal, it's not a superhero. It can get beat up by the sun and moisture. That's where we need to step in and help it out to keep it going strong. Enter motor oil. Yeah, the stuff for your car. Surprising, but it's actually great for keeping wood from rotting. How? Well, the oil soaks into the wood, kind of like a shield. It stops the water from getting in and causing rot. Plus, it makes the wood tougher, so it sticks around longer. Today, I'm fixing up this trailer. I'm adding this thin plywood, making it ready to haul some stuff. The first go around, I'm going to be doing some firewood, and I don't want that firewood to be bouncing off or going through the holes. And to make the thin plywood stay a little longer, I'm going to use some motor oil to keep it in top shape. Hope this tip comes in handy for your own projects. Catch you in the next one.